where if some student wants to have a difficulty in learning and understanding, the level is very low in some person. So where each student have a different way of catching the things and grabbing the things quickly. So AI will give a style for their learning, so each personalized learning for each and every student. It is not like basically that a standard fixed lesson should be or style should be taught for every type of people. So obviously that each and everyone will have a different kind of learning styles. So AI will organize that and what they need, in what style if they want to learn, they will be providing that in that way. Say is that AI will be benefit which in a way that not everyone will be supporting to schooling or home study, not everyone will be equal. In some cases there are some kind of people who will not be financial problems some may have, so they could not afford a tutor or a personal lesson. So AI will be very benefit for them to learn in a home itself. Just by internet and some good connection, they could learn anything and anywhere and anytime.
Anybody else want to agree or disagree with her statement? See, you are not here to sit like this. You are supposed to talk, right?
In my opinion, the major cons of AI is AI makes students more making them. AI வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோட குவாலிட்டி வந்து குறைக்கிறதாகவும் அதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க வந்து லேசி ஆக்குறதாகவும் என்னோட ஒப்பீனியன்ல நான் இது பண்றேன். ஏன்னா ஏஐ யூஸ் பண்ணி இப்போ ஸ்கூல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸே ஏஐ எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க அவங்களோட ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் பண்ண. ஸோ அதனால அவங்களோட ஸ்டடீஸ்லாம் வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ண முடியல அவங்களால வந்து ஃபியூச்சர் ஜெனரேஷனோட. அவங்க ரொம்ப ஏஐ டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி இருக்கிறாங்கன்ட்டு என்னோட ஒப்பீனியன் இருக்கு.
I actually want to disagree with him because AI will not ever be a disadvantage for us. If someone sees it as a good point, it will definitely benefit for everyone. Because a student can learn anything, anytime, anywhere, and why don't we use it? It's just a benefit for us, not a disadvantage.
Good morning all. I am Bharati Nasheshwaran from Department of CS IoT, and I partially agree and disagree with what she said. AI cannot be disadvantage is wrong, but everything has its own cons and pros. So when we see our education system, it is the oldest of independence, and these methods are also can be labeled as archaic methods. And with slowly integrating AI in our education system, we can keep our foot forward for the next generation to learn many things. And also it should be integrated slowly, like pushing needle in your push mode. Also it cannot be integrated all at once because it will confuse all the teachers and as well as students itself. So, while integrating AI with whatever we are studying now, it should be a slow and gradual process. With AI, we use this inclusion and the personalization of education. Everybody with a computer or an internet connection can study with AI, as he told, but it also acts as a con because not everybody has their own internet connection or good internet connection on their computer at homes, and they are still don't have much accessibility to the outside world or even to the nearest cities to them. Also, AI research can be very revolutionary because even the Nobel Prize of Physics were given to people who worked on machine learning. Like that, it should be an evolution of AI and not revolution which could turn everything 180 degree. And with AI giving us everything, we are losing our ability to search for whatever we need. In olden days, people searched a lot of sources, so they got the wide range of knowledge in whatever they were searching. But now we get whatever we need specifically from whatever chatbot we ask for. So which curbs our enthusiasm to search for more and learn more. That is my point of view and cons and pros of artificial intelligence in education system.